Hello, we are Team Technochemist from Pimpri-Chinchwad College of Engineering, Pune. Our problem statement is development of a software for tracking prescription drugs, that is medicines having narcotic and psychotropic properties that are also covered under NPDS Act to prevent its misuse. Such a software should track a prescription drug right from the manufacturer at a factory until it is distributed to a legit patient by an authorized pharmacy, chemist, hospital which comes under the NCP. This proposed system can be viewed as a medical supply tracking and management system. Authorized manufacturer, distributor, chemist, doctor and patient will be a part of this system. Each of the transactions between these parties will be monitored and recorded using our software. Firstly, starting with the manufacturer. When manufacturer manufactures the drugs and supplies to the distributor, an OTP will be received by the distributor which will be verified by the manufacturer during the delivery. So this OTP will be generated during each transaction in the supply chain and will be used for authentication. And after every successful transaction, it will be recorded in the database. As shown in the flow diagram, this supply chain will continue from manufacturer till chemist. Now let's see the two more important elements of this system, that is the doctor and the patient. Whenever the patient is in trouble, he will approach the doctor for the cure, and for this purpose doctor will prescribe the patient some medicine with some quantity. In this process, a digital prescription will be generated which will have a QR code on it. QR code here does the job of storing name and quantity of drugs that has been prescribed to the patient. By carrying this digital prescription, patient can visit any chemist shop for the required medicine. The chemist will scan the QR code and then he will get to know the patient's requirements, and hence the drugs will be delivered to the patient accordingly. Also, when the QR code is scanned, the prescribed quantity of medicines will be deducted from the database and will be considered as sold. This ensures that the patient receives just the required quantity of drugs prescribed by the doctor. Thus, this system will be capable of solving the issue of tracking the supply chain of prescription of drugs from manufacturer to the end user.
This is the ER diagram of our system. The entities are admin, manufacturer, distributor, doctor, patient and chemist. Admin will keep a track of supply chain and the entities for admin are username and password. Manufacturer will manufacture the drugs. The attributes for manufacturer are manufacturer ID, password, license number, medicine type, sale by the manufacturer, location and sale distributor name. The cardinality between the manufacturer and distributor will be many to many. Manufacturer will supply the medicine to distributor. The attribute for the distributor are distributor ID, password, license number, medicine type, location, sale chemistry. The distributor will deliver the medicine to the chemist and the attribute for the chemist are chemist ID, password, license number, location, sale medicine type and timestamp. Chemist will send this medicine to patient and attributes of patient are patient ID, his or her password, personal details, location, prescribed medicine, registered doctor name and medicine name. Doctor will prescribe the medicine to patient. The attributes for the doctor are doctor ID, patient ID, password, license number, location, prescribed medicine. Foreign key in the doctor entity doctor table is patient ID, which will be generated by the patient table. Proposed system, this is a platform independent system, that is it can be on desktop as well as smartphone. It is compatible and adaptable as it has very easy and quick learning interface. With single application, this system provides transparency, traceability, security, integrity and quick access of data. Limitations of the existing system are: currently there is no such system which are identify the genuinity of prescription. In current supply chain management of medicine, there is no defined way to keep a track of drugs that have been supplied, and it is also difficult to determine the source from which the drugs were supplied. Also, anyone having a fake prescription can easily access illegal drug. Also, there is no centralized database or record to keep the track of drug distribution. This all the problems that are faced by the current system will be solved by the proposed system. Thank you.